This video is for Mac users only, so if you're using Windows, skip ahead to the next video. The first thing we're going to do is open up a web browser and visit virtualbox.org. Next, find the link that takes you to the download page. From here, select the file for your platform, which is Mac. So we'll click on the link next to OS X hosts. Once the download is complete, we'll go ahead and click on the file to open it. Now we can double-click on the virtualbox.pkg file to start the installation. We're going to click Continue, and we'll click Continue again. And now we'll click Install. If it prompts you for your password, go ahead and enter that. The installer reports that the installation was successful, so we can go ahead and click on the Close button. Now that the installation is complete, you can start VirtualBox by using Spotlight. Press Command Space or click the magnifying glass icon in the upper right-hand corner of the menu bar to bring up the Spotlight search bar. From here, simply type in VirtualBox and press Return. You can also start VirtualBox by opening up the Finder, navigating to the Applications folder, and double-clicking on VirtualBox there. Next, let's install the Unarchiver. The easiest way to do that is to open up the App Store. Let's start Spotlight again by clicking on the magnifying glass icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, or again by pressing Command Space. So now just type in App Store and press Return. Next, what we want to do is search for the Unarchiver. That should bring up a list of matching applications. Now simply click on Install under the Unarchiver and enter in your password if you're prompted to do so. In an upcoming video, you'll be asked to download and extract the contents of a compressed archive file. You'll do that with the Unarchiver. Here's an example. I have a file I downloaded that ends in 7Z. I've navigated to that file using the Finder. Now I'll just double-click the file and the Unarchiver will extract the contents of that file. If we navigate into the folder that it created, you can see that the uncompressed file is in that folder. Now you're ready to install Linux in a virtual machine using VirtualBox.